In this part, we are going to create these headers and also the avatars. And now we are going to use the Material UI to help us in this project. So we need to go back to the documentations and back to here. We add this to command and paste to our terminal. And we also paste this. And as you can see, we will also use the avatars icons. So we are better to install the icons at this moment. So we scroll down and also copy this command and paste to our terminals. After we already install all the package that we need, we start to create these headers, and which has the avatars and the icons groups. So we back to our components and go to the sidebar, and at the bottom we create another style component. It's called headers. As you can see, we use display flags, so it will in a row directions, and the position is sticky, so it will not move. And we can also see the space between is being used in justified content, and we are also use a borders bottom, and as you can see, we have a very subtle borders at the bottom. So we go back to the top, and instead of using this sidebar, we use the headers, and then after that we create the user avatar. So again, we go down to the bottoms and we paste it at here, as I do not want you to just look at me type one by one, so we paste to here. And this means that we use the cursor, which when you mouse over these avatars, the mouse should become a fingers. And for the hover, if the mouse is over the headers or the avatars, the opacity will change to 0.8. And you can see we also use the Material UI avatar, so we try to import. So we back to the documentations and we import this from the Material UI. So we back to the top and paste to here. And inside this, now we can use the user avatar. And then we are going to add the source. And we just copy the pictures from the internet and we paste to here and save it. Now we run the server again by typing run dev. Now we can see the headers and also the avatars, and when we mouse over the avatars, you can see there is a slight change in the opacity.